Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's recipe is a very tasty and delicious banoffee pie. The word banoffee is a combination of two words, banana and toffee, which will reveal what is on the inside. A crushed cookie crust, layers of toffee, sliced bananas and whipped cream make this stunning dessert. Let's see how you are going to make this delicious banoffee pie. Fill a pressure cooker with water and place an unopened can of condensed milk and close the lid and cook on high flame for one whistle and then lower the flame to medium and cook for 20 minutes. When the pressure releases, carefully remove the can from the boiling water and allow to cool completely before opening. Open the can once it is cool completely. Pour the toffee into another bowl and stir well. Initially, the toffee will be thick and after mixing for few seconds, it will come to a spreading consistency. Keep this aside. Take another bowl and using a food processor or mixer grinder, process the biscuits into crumbs or put them in a Ziploc bag and crush them using a rolling pin. Melt 50 grams of unsalted butter and stir into the biscuit crumbs until well combined. The mixture will be thick, coarse and sandy. Line the pudding tray with the biscuit crumb mixture. Press the mixture into the bottom. Make sure it is tight and compact. Use the bottom of a flat measuring cup to press it down tightly. Refrigerate the crust for 15 minutes to set. Now fill the crust with the prepared toffee filling and flatten with an offset spatula or using the spoon. Cover the pudding tray with a cling wrap and refrigerate for another 15 minutes. Peel off the skin and slice the bananas and keep this aside. Take another bowl and add 1 cup of heavy cream and whip until you get stiff peaks. Add powdered sugar or the toffee for sweetness, or you can skip that. Arrange the banana slices in one layers on top of the toffee. and then spread the whipped cream on top. Chill banoffee pie in the fridge for 2 hours before serving to allow layers to set and flavors to meld. Cover and store the leftover pudding in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Here goes the absolutely delicious banoffee pie. Do try out this recipe and share your feedbacks in the comment section. And if you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and families. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get notifications when we upload new videos. See you with more videos. Until then, bye bye.